Hey everyone! Struggling to find time for lunch? Today, I'm sharing 5 quick and easy lunch ideas that you can make in under 10 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, let's make an avocado and tuna wrap. Mash half an avocado with a squeeze of lemon, salt, and pepper. Mix a can of tuna with some lemon juice and salt. Spread the avocado and tuna on a whole wheat wrap, add veggies like cucumber and lettuce, and roll it up. Next, a Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt in a jar or bowl, add mixed berries, and top with granola. For extra sweetness, drizzle with a bit of honey. Now, grab a whole grain pita and spread hummus inside. Fill it with sliced veggies like cucumber, tomatoes, and spinach. Close it up, and you're done. For a quick quinoa veggie bowl, top leftover quinoa with roasted or fresh veggies. Drizzle with tahini or olive oil, and season with lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Last, an easy egg salad. Chop up 2 hard-boiled eggs, mix with Greek yogurt or mayo, and season with salt, pepper, and mustard. Spread it on whole grain bread and enjoy. There you go, 5 quick and easy lunches in under 10 minutes. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to try first. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and healthy meal ideas. See you next time. Did you enjoy today's health tips? Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more health insights. Comment below with your thoughts, questions, or health tips. Share this video with friends who could benefit from a healthier lifestyle.